Hello, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I'm going to make some stuffed green chilies. Hold on, if you're going to run away thinking stuffed green chilies, they'll be spicy and they're not for you. My version of stuffed green chilies is not at all spicy. And for those of you who think green chilies should be spicy and like it spicy, I will be adding tips to make sure that you can make the spicy version. To make the stuffed green chilies, choose the larger, thicker ones. These are less spicy and also easier to stuff. If you like it spicy, choose the thinner variety. Put a slit on the side of the green chili and remove the central core and seeds. The central core is the spicy part, and if you like it spicy, leave that behind and just remove the seeds. Cut them into 2 to 3 inches sizes and soak it in water for 5 minutes. Soaking it removes spiciness. If you like it spicy, omit this step altogether. Heat oil in a pan and add carom seeds after crushing it in your palms. When they splutter, add gram flour and roast with continuous stirring till it starts releasing its flavor. Do not wait for it to turn color. Add turmeric powder, coriander and cumin powder, mango powder, salt and sugar, along with lemon juice as per taste. Mix it well and keep it ready for stuffing the green chilies. Stuff the green chilies by pressing it with your thumb to ensure it is stuffed well. You'll have some leftover gram flour, keep that aside. Heat oil in a pan and add mustard and cumin seeds. When they splutter, add the green chilies, turn the flame on slow and cook covered with intermittent stirring. You may need to turn the green chilies individually to ensure that they cook on all sides. Then add the gram flour mixture which was left behind and further 3 teaspoons of oil. Cook covered for 5 minutes. Once it's all done, remove on serving plate and garnish with coriander leaves. Hello, having watched my recipe, hope you have enjoyed it. Please do not hesitate to like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestions of how I could improve my videos, please do not hesitate to put that in the comments box. If you want me to bring you any specific recipes, do not hesitate to again put that in the comments and I will try my best to honor your request.